we have a new gift to unwrap today. It is right here, the GameDS 4-layer brand new mechanical keyboard. Let's open up the box. And here is the beauty. I'm going to take it out of the wrapping and we'll give it a test drive. So here it is. This is the brand new GameDS Essentials mechanical keyboard. It's very light. We can compare it to the previous one, which is right here. So this one is a lot heavier, the one on the top, and the one on the bottom is a new 4-layer design, which gives us a lot more durability. And it comes with this mouse. It's a combo with the Eros mouse, which is a really sleek, light mouse with additional buttons on the side, as well as the usual buttons on the top for adjusting the speed of the mouse. And I will be using this keyboard now as the new standard issue keyboard for me, and I'll let you know how I feel over the next several episodes. Do you use GameDS products? Do you use the GameDS headset or the GameDS glove or any other product that we've published here on The George Show? Tell me in the comments below. I would love to hear your feedback. For me personally, the feel on this keyboard is really nice. It's a soft touch. It's not a noisy. You can hear it. So it's not the clicky keys of a mechanical keyboard. And I'd love to hear your thoughts. Tell me in the comments below. This is Freedom, and I am George. You've been watching. Let's discover freedom. Click the first video to learn what is freedom and how it helps you grow. Click the second video to learn about sponsorships for all Freedom partners, even if you have just 10 subscribers. And click the other videos like How Do I Leave Freedom to learn more. Click Get More Views to learn how to build your audience faster on YouTube. Click Get More CPM to learn how to make more money from your channel. And click Get More Music to learn where to get more music to spice up your videos. Click the first playlist to watch The George Show on Freedom. That's my show. Or watch The Anthony Show or The Alex Show, also on Freedom. And we will grow together as a family, because this is the Freedom family. You are part of it, we are all part of it, and we're all growing together. So grow with us and partner with Freedom. That Play Now button right there on the video bar is all you need to click to get started.
Your secrets, if you really look at yourself, you would be speechless. What happened to being doctors and teachers? What happened to being your brother's keeper? Now